Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Bangladeshi traditional recipe Mezbani Dal Gosht. It's very delicious and fabulous recipe. Dal Gosht marination preparation. Beef 1.5 kilogram. It has fat and bones, and some livers. Onion 1 cup. Ginger paste 1.5 tablespoon. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Coconut paste 2 tablespoon. Nut paste 2 tablespoon. Poppy seeds paste 1.5 tablespoon. Fennel seeds paste 1 tablespoon. White pepper paste 1 tablespoon. Mustard paste 2 tablespoon. Celery seeds paste 1.5 tablespoon. Oil 1 cup. Salt to taste. Chopped tomato 1 cup. Mix very well. Done. Rest for 1 hour. Cook until meat tender 45 minutes. Stir in between. Cover again. Chana dal 2 cups soaked overnight. Add soaked dal. Mix. Cook 10 minutes. Add hot water as required. Stir. Green chili. Cover and cook until dal cooked properly. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Mix. Cover for 10 minutes. Almost done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.